Hi guys, it's Miss Hayes. So wanted to show you a few things for today. I'm just going to pull up my slides that are in Google Classroom. They're not there quite yet, but they will be when I post them tonight or tomorrow morning. But it's the 3/20/2020 slides. So let me pull them up to full view for you. So just so you guys know, I went to school today. Today's Thursday. And it was very sad not seeing you all, but Benji did come with me for the ride. All right, so today we have two really things that you need to do. So earlier in the week, I did post that we're going to do 1.2 part 1. So that's an Amplify. I did see that somebody had already done it. I'm going to go through some slides with you right now and kind of explain this Google form that I want answered today. I also updated the agenda log that I did initially put. I'll update that too. So let me just pull that up real quick for you. So the remote learning agenda. So this is this week. Originally, early in the week, I only had this on for Friday, but I did add this today. And then I kind of have a real general plan for next week. So we're going to be doing Amplify. I have to modify it some because we can't do all the hands-on stuff. I'm going to try to figure out like the video, show you guys stuff that you might have at home to try for some of these. But we're going to try to do a half a lesson a day. Just because I know you guys all have different situations going on. All right, so what I wanted to be able to do a video for you. You should be good on the 1.2 part 1 in Amplify. I'll pull that up for you real quick and show you. So again, we're in light waves. We are in chapter 1, 1.2, and the warm up for us is it says, students describe how an object can change if it is left out in the sun. So here we have a picture of the sun, and the prompt says, the sun causes changes to things on Earth. Think of an object that you have observed before and after is left out in the sun. Describe how it changed. So anything. It could be something you accidentally left outside in the yard. It could be a living thing, a plant, animal, anything like that. It could be non-living. What happens? It can be your clothing. Just anything, what happens to it if it's left in the sun? We use complete sentences, all those things. All right. So that shouldn't take you very long. And then, and this is where I wanted to be able to show you a video and kind of go through these slides with you. All right, so our unit essential question is, why is there a higher rate of skin cancer in Australia than in other parts of the world? And in chapter 1, we're going to focus on how does light from the sun cause skin cancer. So we're actually going to learn about really two things this unit. How light works. Light is a wave, but how light waves work. And then obviously we need to talk a little bit about skin cancer to understand this. All right, so we're going to investigate how skin cancer in this unit. So here's a map of the world. Been looking at lots of maps lately with the coronavirus. But this one, the colors of the map, what do they indicate? So if I look at my key right here, it's the rate of skin cancer per 100,000 people. So my real dark colors, like over here in Australia and New Zealand, they have greater than 220 people in every 100,000 have skin cancer. Compared to like some of these really light yellows, where it's less than 10 people for every 100,000 people have skin cancer. So why is this so different? So for the Google form, I got to look at this map. You got to look at the key. So the darker the colors, it means more people, there's a higher rate of skin cancer. The lighter the colors, means there less of those people have skin cancer. So that's what I just added over here. So the darker the colors, the more skin cancer. The lighter the colors, the less skin cancer. And then these numbers that I'm getting right here. So this means that Australia has more than 220 people out of 100,000 with skin cancer, while North America, right over here, it's more of around 130 to 160 out of 100,000 people have skin cancer or will be diagnosed with skin cancer. All right, so here is the next assignment. So we have a Google form right here. If you click this link, it's also going to be in Classroom. And these are the 3 questions you're going to answer. The first 2, very short answer. I just want to know which places, so where in the world. You just give me the continent names, right? Number 3, I want complete sentences. What ideas do you have about why these different places have lower or higher rates of skin cancer? Don't go research anything, just general thoughts. What do you think? Does it have to do with where the continents are on the map? Does it have to do with people's skin color? Is it both? Is there anything else you might have read or heard about? What do you know?